Do you want to create this trending 3D model figurine? Let's create it. Open your browser, which is maybe Chrome or Safari. Search your ChatGPT. Click on it. And now tap on plus icon and choose your picture on which you want to create this 3D model figurine. I'm choosing Ronaldo picture. So now you have to write the prompt, which is exactly the same. I will paste there. Now tap on the search option to create this 3D model figurine. Let's wait for 30 to 40 seconds so that ChatGPT will create this figurine. You can see that my 3D model has been created, which is exactly trending on Instagram, on other social media apps. So now you can save it in your gallery. If you want this prompt, I have added in my description. Thank you very much.